Assalamualaikum everyone, you are watching Software Buddy. I hope that you all will be fine. The topic today I'm going to discuss is how you can install Matplotlib library in the Python. For this I'm going to open the command prompt and go to the folder, and in particular to the scripts folder where we are going to install the library. As I am in the scripts folder, so I am going to install the libraries using pip. So what is basically pip? Pip is the standard package manager for the Python. It allows you to install and manage additional packages that are not part of the Python's standard library. The command for installing libraries will be pip3 install matplotlib, which will be provided in the description. But before entering the command, make sure that you are in the right folder. So as you can see, the system has started to download and install the libraries. By this way you can install any libraries in your system. Now you are good to go as the libraries have been downloaded and installed successfully. I hope you will find this video helpful. So see you again in next video, and Allah Hafiz.